And welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share my last video for 2018. And what better way to celebrate the end of the year than a DIY bar cart? I hope you enjoy. Guys, I've wanted this bar cart forever. I've had it saved in my eBay for a few weeks now, but I just couldn't see the value in spending this much money. So after putting my thinking cap on, I decided that I wanted to prove to you that I could create a bar cart on a very small budget. Kmart Australia just released this drinks trolley and it's just $29. I put my thinking cap on and also purchased 2 hula hoops in a medium size at just $2 each. Taking my favourite gold spray paint by Dulux, I took all the pieces outside and sprayed them gold. Now the trolley came with 2 bases, one was mirrored and one was not. So I took some Kmart Australia marble adhesive vinyl and I decided to cover the one that wasn't a mirror. Now I cut the contact paper to size and smoothing it out with my hand, I then trimmed off the excess. I then flipped it over and then taking some scissors, I cut round and then folded the contact paper to the back. Now off camera, I also got my 2 hula hoops and hot glued them to the front and back of the bar cart.
We're still here, flipping coins about what's to come. It starts getting cold, and we don't know any way out of here. We're trying to understand how it all started to.
And here is my finished bar cart. And guess what, guys? How much do you think this cost me all up? All up, it cost me less than $40. That is so much better than spending over $300 for a similar style bar cart. Guys, I absolutely love sharing ideas with you to show you that you don't have to spend a fortune when decorating your home. I chose to use a Kmart Australia drinks trolley and using some hula hoops of all things, I created that designer look for less than $40.
We could reach the other side, and you start to doubt. I don't blame you.
I love most of all sharing these ideas with you so you can be creative as well. This was simple. It was such a simple DIY. Look out for a cheap bar cart. You might find one at a thrift store, you might find one at Kmart, but all up you can just create that designer look on a very limited budget. I just want to take this opportunity to wish you all a happy new year. 2018 has brought me so many wonderful, kind, supportive friends in each of you, and I cannot thank you enough for making my YouTube dreams come true. I cannot wait to share new and exciting ideas with you in 2019 and to have your support once again on my YouTube journey. thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you enjoyed my last video for 2018.
It starts getting cold and we don't know when.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chelle's Glam Home.
Yeah, it's deeper than we could ever go, honey.
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in 2019. Bye, guys.